Okay, this is Exeter Quay. Pretty much, look how swollen the River Exe is. Now that is pretty bad. We have our BBC News correspondent there reporting, and it's probably the worst I've ever seen it. Right, so I'm heading towards True's Weir, and this is a flood relief. Thank goodness for the flood relief, otherwise the whole of Marsh Barton and possibly Topsham, Counters Weir, Alphington would be underwater. Look at that. Look at the speed of that. Just look at that. We got the locks at the top. Now that is pretty bad. It's probably as bad as I've ever seen it. You've got the Port Royal over there, and there's more wet weather on its way, so don't travel out unless necessary. Sean Moon, BBC Spotlight, back to the studio.